you gotta do this.
Oh, okay.
And then you gotta do this.
Okay, all right.
And then you gotta do that thing right there. And then you got...
Oh, that's really cool.
Hey, Anna, what you doing?
I'm teaching these kids English. These right here with my puppet Jelly. Hello, I'm Anna from Magic Ears.
And I'm Catherine from Magic Ears, and welcome to the second episode of the Hero's Roadmap.
And I'm Jelly, the sweet salamander.
Hey, Jelly, so Anna,
Uh-huh.
you know I love you, right?
Oh, of course, yeah.
And I think you're an awesome teacher and performer and puppeteer as well, right?
Okay, what are we doing here?
Well, can we talk about how you use that puppet in the classroom?
I am a professional performer and puppeteer, ma'am.
Okay, you're right. Me too.
Hi, Jelly. Hello.
Hi, Maddie.
Hi, I'm Maddie the Puggle.
But I've actually found some really great ways of using your puppet effectively in the online ESL classroom, especially in the Magic Ears classroom. So let's take a magical journey.
To the land of make-believe?
Even better,
Oh.
to the Magic Ears classroom.
We're in a box.
We are in a box. Since we recommend that teachers open their camera at least 30 seconds before the class starts, I love to start that 30 seconds with my puppet. Like so! Hello! 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 I'm Teacher Catherine!
Oh, I really like that. Not only is that super adorable, but it gets the kids really comfortable from the get-go in your classroom.
Exactly. And like I said, I like to treat this like my own children's TV show, and Maddie is my sidekick.
Darn tootin'.
Okay, here is another great place to engage the students with your puppet.
Oh yeah. Yeah, this is an awkward spot for me. It gets kind of boring repeating the same word over and over and over and over again.
I totally understand that, but remember, repetition is key. So what I like to do is start off by saying the word in my own neutral North American accent, so that way they can see my mouth move. Potato. And, yes, and then one time with the puppet saying it, but they can still see my mouth. Potato! And then she actually does the TPR to wait. And then, potato!
Oh, okay. All right.
Yeah.
So let me try. All right.
Yes.
Potato.
Potato.
Great job.
That
No?
was so cute, but you
Oh.
forgot one thing.
Oh, what did I forget? Was it a schwa?
I kind of.
Okay.
What's the key word?
Potato.
Yes, and how does Jelly say it?
Potato.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah,
It's okay.
It's okay. He has a little cute Southern accent.
Yeah.
It's so cute. It's just not the neutral North American accent.
Okay, buddy.
And even puppets have to have that. You know, Maddie,
I used to sound like a this.
Oh.
yeah, that doesn't work. But what I learned to do with the kids is, Maddie, what's the word?
Potato.
Potato? Yes or no? And the kids will say,
No.
and then you can get them to correct her.
Potato. Potato.
Jelly, would you like to try a neutral North American accent?
I don't know.
You can do it. I believe in you.
Potato. I did it.
Yeah, you got some ideas now?
I do. I have plenty.
That's awesome. Then let's go back to the real world.
No. I was just getting used to speaking with my big boy voice. Hey, for more great tips like this one, subscribe to our channel, hit that notification button, and tune in next time. And if you want to be a hero to thousands of Chinese children, hit the link below and teach with us. See you next time, friends. Bye! Oh, hey, friends. Don't forget to tune in next time for tips and tricks on how to make your own amazing Magic Ear sidekick, like me. tick-a-tock, do-do-do-do.